Good morning. I'm Peter Ogetina Kenya, DBTE candidate. Here are my thoughts on research which you are given on project on agriculture. The problem which I encounter in the school environment is environmental pollution. Now, on the environmental pollution, the problem which is really affecting the environment is the poor disposal of plastics, materials, and the sacks. Now, for the poor disposal of those plastics, and the sacks, here are effects which led for not to stay in a conducive environment. For the one effect, for those plastics and the sacks in the soil, in long decomposition of time. After those sacks and the plastics enters into the soil, it takes a lot of many years to decompose. Why I'm saying so? When those materials enter into the soil, even so those materials have effect to even to plants. For the plants, the roots they can't penetrate easily. For the next point is microplastic pollution. As plastic breaks into small particles, these particles can leach into the soil and affecting water for drinking. Another effect for the poor disposal of those plastics. When you dispose anywhere those plastics, animals can enter into those materials, where such like insects. For those insects, it's like to contaminate, it's like to transmit disease from one person to another. Now for my solution to that problem, I decided to use innovative gardening to control that big problem which is facing our institution. Now, when you are using innovative gardening is a creative method to cultivate crops gardened by using small resources and limited space. Like this bottle. When you can use this bottle to cultivate plants, you can now at least one method to conserve environment. Another solution is to reduce the poor disposal of management of those bottles and sacks is to recycling. Why is saying so? Recycling those bottles and the sacks, we can go and wash it and use it again. That is the method which we can use to control the poor disposal of those plastics and the sacks. Now, for another examples and the type of innovative gardening is plastic bottles, the way I've said. Another is discarded tires, like tires for our classes here in school. Most of the tires are everywhere. Now, to control it, we can collect it and put together so that we can plant crops inside those types. That is the end of my presentation. Now, I prefer that innovative gardening it can help us to conserve our environment clean. That is the end of my presentation. Anyone who have a question or addition to can add? Yes, madam.
Okay, what are some of the materials that you can use in innovative gardening?
Okay, for the materials you can use in innovative gardening, you can use even boats. You can need boat. You look for a boat, an old boat. You put a soil inside the boat, and then you plant. Or other containers like such bottles, sacks, and other things. who have another question to ask? Okay, that is the end of my presentation. May I welcome my next member.